The power of focus is one of the most misunderstood and misapplied terms in behavioral psychology and in performance, because focus, people normally think of it as meaning concentrating on a task for a long period of time, or in a concentrated way. And yes, that is one of the meanings of it. But another thing is, what is it that you're thinking about? What is it that you're trying to find? What is it that you are concentrating on? If you work for a long time in a concentrated way on why you've got a problem, all you'll have at the end of that long period is a headache and a conclusively huge list of problems, one of which is probably because you deserve it. If instead you spend that same amount of time focusing on how can we solve this problem, how can we turn it around, how can we avoid it, how can we prevent it happening in the first place, how could we use this to our advantage? Now, the subject is the same, the problem, but the way that you're focusing on it is completely different. And if you focus on something in a different way, you will get different answers. And if you get different answers, you can act in a different way. And if you act in a different way, well, you may just find that the problem goes away. Just a thought.